Hello, I'm Vivian from Homewood. We are very lucky to be able to be here today as this is one of our top occupancy apartments. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in Marbella, in Elviria, in the realization Hacienda Playa. The key features of these apartments are all on one floor, walking distance to the beach. You have direct access from the apartment with the elevator to the garage place, so no steps, and you are walking distance to the commercial center of Elviria. Let's go and see it. The apartment has recently been completely refurbished. It's built all on one floor, boasts a very nice open-plan living area and a modern kitchen with very good high-quality appliances. The apartment boasts 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It's ideal for families or for couples as each bedroom is in one side of the apartment and are totally independent from each other. From the covered terrace, you can overlook the community pool of Hacienda Playa and you can see the entrance of the Marriott Hotel Beach Resort. The prices of the apartment in the summer months range between 150 and 450 euros per night approximately. In the winter months, we make a special offer with 2,000 euros per month from November to March, excluding the electricity. If you have more information or would like to rent the apartment, contact us.